Dear students, welcome to all. Today we discuss about integration by using integration by parts. Integration by parts means as in our differentiation there is a formula d by dx of uv, the product of u and v. Here also the integration of uv dx. So the integration of product of u and v, that is u integral v dx minus integral u dash into integral v dx plus c. If suppose the first function as u, the next function is v, so integral uv dx is u integral v dx minus integral u dash integral v dx plus c. Okay. Just verification the problem. Integral x sin x dx. Integral x sin x dx. Evaluate integral x into sin x dx. Suppose the u as x and v as sin x. In our formula there is integral v dx and u dash. So first we find u dash. U dash is the derivative of u, that is x derivative 1. Integral v dx, the integration of v means sin x dx is minus cos x. Now integral x sin x dx is, this is integral uv dx formula, u integral v minus integral u dash into integral v, simple. U means x, integral v already find minus cos x, minus integral u dash, the derivative of u dash, u means the derivative of u, that is u is sin x, u is x, so u dash is 1 into integral v minus cos x dx. So minus x cos x, minus into minus plus sin x plus c. So like that, if we suppose x is equal to u and sin x is equal to v, the integration of x sin x dx is very simply minus x cos x plus sin x plus c. Suppose by mistake or we don't know what is u, what is v, suppose we select u and v reversal as u is equal to sin x and v is equal to x. Now what happened? You observe this. Integral x sin x dx. Suppose u is equal to sin x, v is equal to x. Now again u dash means the derivative of sin x is cos x. Integral v, the integration of x is x square by 2. Now integral x sin x dx is equal to, this is the formula, u integral v minus integral u dash into integral v dx. That is equal to, u means sin x, integral v is x square by 2. Integral, this is integral minus integral, u dash is the derivative of u, sin x derivative cos x, into integral v, x square by 2. Again this is uv form. You observe this, this is again uv form. If we apply uv form, again we have another term that is also in uv form. Like that, the problem is expanded to infinity times. That is, the evaluation of integral x sin x dx is lengthy. There is no end by the mistake of selection of u and v. So the selection of u and v is very important in integration by parts formula, that is integral uv dx. So you select u and v is important. If we take misselection, the problem is not end. Okay. As my opinion, we select u and v. To select u and v, there is small simple cut. This is my opinion. This is not a formula or etc. in our textbook. That is light, L-I-A-T-E. What is light? L means logarithmic functions. I means inverse trigonometric functions. A is algebraic functions. Algebra function means x, x square, etc. 1 is also algebra because x power 0. T means trigonometric functions. That is sin x, cos x, tan x, etc. E means exponential function. That is e power x, a power x, 2 power x, 3 power x, like that. In our above example, the problem is integral x sin x dx. Here x is algebra function denoted by a. Sin x is trigonometric function denoted by t. In light LIATE, a is before than t. So you put that a means algebra function, that is x, as u. The remaining term as v. I think this is very easy to select u and v. Here algebra in a light a is before than t. So you put that a as u and t as v. A means x as u and sin x as v. So now we observe this. Our previous problem. Here u is equal to, this is x. This x is algebra function. Sin x is trigonometric function. So LIAT, a is before than t. So that a is u. That is x is u and sin x is u. So the answer is minus x sin x minus x cos x plus sin x plus c. Okay. So to select u and v, if we take the light LIATE to select u and v. So we observe the next problem. Integral x into secant square x dx. Integral x into secant square x dx. Here the x is algebra function a. Secant square x is trigonometric function t. So x is a and secant square x is t. In light, so a is before than t. So a is, take a as u. So u is equal to algebra function x. V is equal to secant square x. Okay. Now u dash, the derivative of x is 1. Integral v dx. Integration of secant square x is tan x. Now integral x secant square x dx is integral uv dx. U integral v minus integral u dash integral v dx. This is the formula. Integral u is x, v is tan x, integral v tan x. Minus integral u dash is 1, integral v dx is tan x is equal to x tan x minus integral tan x. You know the integration of tan x is log modulus secant x plus c. Like that, integral x secant square x dx is equal to x tan x minus log modulus secant x plus c. Okay. Now evaluate integral log x dx. But here there is only one term log x. So we write that log x as 1 into log x. Log x is equal to 1 into log x. So integral log x is integral 1 into log x. Here 1 is algebra function a. Log x is logarithmic function L. In light LIAT, light, L is before than a. So we put that L as u. That is u is equal to L means log x. So u is equal to log x. We put that u is equal to log x. So the remaining term, yes, algebra function a is v. Okay. So the formula is u integral v dx minus integral u dash into integral v dx. Substitute u is log x. Integral v is 1, integral 1 is x. Minus integral u dash, u is log x, u dash means 1 by x. Into integral v, here v is 1, integral 1 is x dx. Okay. So this is equal to, write this x log x as it is. X cancel, integral 1 dx is x. So there is minus. So x log x minus x plus c is the integration of log x. You remember this as a formula also. Integral log x is equal to x log x minus x. Okay. Now integral sin inverse x dx. Here also you write that sin inverse x as 1 into sine inverse x. 1 into sine inverse x. Here sine inverse x is inverse trigonometric function. Inverse trigonometric function. So that is I. 1 is algebraic function. So that is A. In light LIATE, I is before than A. So you put that I as U. I means sine inverse x as U. So U is equal to sine inverse x. And V is equal to 1. So apply the formula. U integral V dx minus integral U dash into integral V dx. U is sine inverse x. Integral 1 is x minus integral U dash. U is sine inverse x. The derivative of sine inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Into integral V, that is integral 1 is x. Okay. That is equal to, write this x sine inverse x as it is, minus, you multiplying both numerator and denominator with the minus 2. So minus plus 1 by 2. You multiplying this 1 with minus 2. Minus 2, this is x, minus 2x by root 1 minus x square. You observe this integral minus 2x by root 1 minus x square. This is of the form integral f dash of x by root f of x dx. So the numerator is the derivative of f of x if the denominator is root f of x in terms of. So the answer is 2 into denominator, that is 2 root f of x. Here observe the 1 minus x square derivative is minus 2x. So this is of the form integral f dash of x by root f of x dx, that is equal to 2 root f of x plus c. So we write this x sine inverse x as it is here, plus 1 by 2 into 2 into the denominator square root of 1 minus x square. This is equal to x sine inverse x plus 2 to cancel square root of 1 minus x square plus c. Now let us see this problem. Integral e power x into sin x dx. E power x into sin x dx. Here e power x, you observe this e power x is exponential function. Sin x is trigonometric function. So e power x is exponential means e, sin x is trigonometric function t. LIATE, t is before than e. So put that t as u. That means u is equal to sin x, v is equal to e power x. Now u dash, derivative of sin x is cos x. Integral v dx, integral e power x. E power x integration is again e power x. Now let the given problem as I is equal to integral e power x into sin x dx. This is equal to integral uv dx form. The form is u integral v dx minus integral u dash into integral v dx. Substitute the values. U is sin x, integral v e power x minus u dash. Here u is sin x. So derivative of u is equal to cos x. So cos x. Integral v. So e power x dx. Again here this is of the form uv also. So again you apply uv form. You write that this e power x into sin x here, minus into, here cos x is trigonometry, e power x is exponential function. So t is before than e. You put this cos x as u, e power x as v. Now u into integral v, integral e power x is e power x, minus integral u dash, here u is cos x derivative minus sin x, put minus sin x, integral v, integral e power x is again e power x. Okay, again you apply uv formula here. You write this e power x and sin x as it is, multiplying this minus e power x into cos x. Here there are 3 minus, minus into minus into minus, minus into e power x into sin x dx. From these two functions, take e power x as common. Sin x minus a cos x into e power x. Here observe this integral e power x into sin x dx. This is our problem I. So put that as minus I. This whole thing to I. So bring that minus I to left side. that is 2i is equal to sin x minus cos x into e power x. So dividing both sides with 2, I is equal to sin x minus cos x into e power x by 2. Okay. Now we observe this result. This is very important to 2 marks in our IPE. Integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. That means e power x into one function plus derivative of that function. That integral value is equal to e power x into the function. So first you observe what is the function. F of x is the function. Next the derivative of f(x) is f dash of x. See this example, 6th problem. Evaluate integral e power x into tan inverse x plus 1 by 1 plus x square. Here clearly the derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So if tan inverse x is our function f of x, then 1 by 1 plus x square is the derivative of tan inverse. So this is f dash of x. So this is of the form e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. So that is e power x into f of x. So is equal to e power x into, here f of x is tan inverse x, because the derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So this is equal to e power x into tan inverse x plus c. Okay. Now let us see the next problem, 7th problem. Evaluate integral e power x into secant x plus secant x into tan x. If there is an e power x, first we observe, is there any function such that the derivative of that function is again in the problem. Okay. Yes. Here suppose secant x is our function. What is the derivative of secant x? Yes, the derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x. So if secant x is f of x, then secant x tan x is f dash of x. So by this result, this is equal to e power x into f of x. So e power x into secant x plus c. Okay. Now next is the 8th problem. Evaluate integral e power x into 1 plus x log x by x. This is very important to our IP, 2 marks. This is in 2013, 15, 18 also. So this is equal to integral, split this one fraction as into 2 parts. That is 1 by x is one part. Here x log x by x. So x cancel, log x is another part. Here the what is the function f of x, such that the derivative of that function is also a part in this problem. Yes, if log x is our function f of x, the derivative of f of x is, that is log x is 1 by x. So log x derivative is 1 by x. So we put that log x is our function f of x. So the answer is e power x into f of x. So e power x into here f of x is log x. E power x into log x plus c. Okay. Next, evaluate integral x into e power x by x plus 1 whole square dx. X plus 1 whole square dx. For this, suppose clearly there is an e power x. Is a function f of x such that the formula is of the form integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. For that, we make small adjustment, adding and subtracting 1 to x in the numerator. That is, here the x can be written as x plus 1 minus 1. The remaining terms e power x by x plus 1 whole square dx as it is. Now split this into 2 fractions. X plus 1, this x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. That means x plus 1 cancel, 1 by x plus 1. The second term is minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Here put plus here, minus 1 here, minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square e power x dx. You know the derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. If this x plus 1 as x, this is 1 by x. So this is minus 1 by x square. So the derivative of 1 by x plus 1 is simply minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. So our function is 1 by x plus 1. So this is equal to e power x into f of x. F of x is 1 by x plus 1. So e power x by x plus 1 plus is our answer. Okay. Again, now 10th problem. Evaluate integral e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 minus cos x dx. So here there is e power x. So you split the remaining function terms as f of x plus f dash of x form. So write this integral e power x as it is. You write this 1 minus x is also as it is. 1 minus cos x. From multiple and submultiple chapter of trigonometry from first year, you know 1 minus cos a is equal to 2 cos square a by 2. Sorry, 1 minus cos a is equal to 2 sin square a by 2. 1 plus cos a is equal to 2 cos square a by 2. Here this is 1 minus cos x. So 1 minus cos a is equal to 2 sin square a by 2. So 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. Okay. You split that into two fractions. 1 by first fraction 1 by 2 sin square x by 2 is one part. The second part is minus sin x by 2 sin square x by 2. But in the same multiple submultiple chapter of first year trigonometry, you know sin a is equal to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. So sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay. You write this 2 sin square x by 2 as it is here. Okay. Now this is equal to, we write this e power x as it is 1 by 2. You know 1 by sin square is cosecant square. 1 by sin square is equal to cosecant square. We write that 1 by sin square x by 2 as cosecant square x by 2 minus 2 cancel. 1 sin x by 2, 1 sin x by 2 cancel. Cos x by 2 by sin x by 2. Cos by sin is cot. So cos x by 2 by sin x by 2 is minus cot x by 2. You observe. You know the derivative of cot is, derivative of cot theta is minus cosecant square theta. So what is the derivative of minus cot theta? Yes, cosecant square theta. If we put this x by 2 as theta, minus cot theta is our function. Suppose minus cot theta is our function. The derivative of minus cot theta is cosecant square theta. So cosecant square theta is x by 2. But in our derivative, what is here theta? Theta is x by 2. The derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2. So put 1 by 2 here. So the derivative of minus cot x by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 cosecant square x by 2. So here our function is minus the cot x by 2 is f of x. 1 by 2 cosecant square x by 2 is f dash of x. So this is integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x form. So that is e power x into f of x. So e power x into here, what is f of x? Minus cot x by 2. So this is equal to minus e power x into cot x by 2 plus is our answer. Now, next we discussed about long answer questions. Long answer questions of integration. For this, there are some models to solve the long answer questions. For each model, there is a method to solve the problem. Now discuss about first model, model 1. So what is the model? Suppose the given integration is of the form integral 1 by ax square plus bx plus c dx, or integral 1 by square root of ax square plus bx plus c dx or integral square root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. That means given problem is of the form quadratic expression. We convert that quadratic expression either of x square plus a square or x square minus a square or a square minus x square. Next, we apply the 9 in our previous part 2. We write 9 formulas which are of the form integral square root of a square minus x square is equal to x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a, like that. 1 by square root of a square plus x square is equal to sin h inverse x by a, like that. Nine formulas. The 9 formulas are very important to solve integrations of 7 marks problems. Okay, so using that formulas here also. First, let us evaluate integral 1 by square root of x square plus 2x plus 10 dx. Evaluate integral 1 by square root of x square plus 2x plus 10 dx. First, we take x square plus 2x plus 10. We write this quadratic expression of the form either x square minus a square or x square plus a square or a square minus x square. But here there is a plus x square. So either x square minus a square or x square plus a square. We write this x square as it is. We write this 2x as 2x into 1. This is of the form a square plus 2ab. So here the b is 1. So b square is 1 square. We write that 1 square here. But there is 10, the constant 10 here. Already write 1. So write the remaining 9 here. The first 3 terms of this x square plus 2x into 1 plus 1 square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that is a plus b whole square, x plus 1 whole square. 9 is nothing but 3 square. So now we take the given problem. Integral 1 by square root of x square plus 2x plus 10. That is equal to integral 1 by, already you write the x square plus 2x plus 10. You know that x plus 1 whole square plus 3 square. We write this. Now this is of the form integral square root of a square plus x square. Here a square is 3 square plus x square is x plus 1 whole square. So what is the formula of integral 1 by square root of a square plus x square is? Yes, sin h inverse x by a. So write this, this is the formula sin h inverse x by a. So that is equal to sin h inverse, here x is x plus 1 by a is 3 plus c. Okay. Let us see this problem. Evaluate integral square root of 1 plus 3x minus x square dx. This is also model 1. This is integral square root of quadratic expression. So first we take this 1 plus 3x minus x square. Here there is minus for x square. Either in a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square, a square, b square are in terms of plus. So take minus is common from this expression. So minus of x square minus 3x minus 1. Minus into, write this x square as it is. We convert this as 2ab term. So for that first you write 2. You write the x as it is. But here for minus 3x, already we write here 2x. So here multiplying with 2. So dividing but that 3 with 2. That means we write that 3 by 2. If you simplify, 2 cancel, minus 3x as it is. So this is x square means a square plus 2ab. Here b is 3 by 2. So write that b square. That is 3 by 2 whole square plus b square. But here there is no 3 by 2 whole square. So we put minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4 here. You write that this minus 1 as it is. Okay. So first 3 terms are of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a minus b whole square, x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Minus 1 minus 9 by 4 is minus 13 by 4. This is equal to minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square as it is minus. You write this 13 by 4 in terms of square. So that is root 13 by 2 whole square. So multiplying this with minus. So minus minus plus root 13 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Now we take the given problem. Integral square root of 1 plus 3x minus x square dx. This is equal to square root of, already find 1 plus 3x minus x square as, yes, root 13 by 2 whole square minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Clearly observe, this is of the form integral square root of a square minus x square. Here a is root 13 by 2 minus, here x is x minus 3 by 2. The formula of square root of a square minus x square dx is, yes, x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a. X is x minus 3 by 2, a is root 13 by 2. Substitute the values. X is x minus 3 by 2 by 2. Here a square minus x square is our problem. This is our problem. This is nothing but this. So write square root of 1 plus 3x minus x square. Plus a square. A square means root 13 by 2 whole square is 13 by 4. A square by 2. Sine inverse. X means x minus 3 by 2. By a is root 13 by 2. Okay. This is equal to multiplying the numerator denominator with 2. That is 2 into x 2x minus 2 to cancel 3 by 2 into 2 4. We write this as it is. 13 by 4 into 2, that is 13 by 8. Sine inverse. Here also multiplying numerator denominator with 2. 2 into x is 2x. 2 to cancel 3 by 2 to cancel root 13 plus c. Okay. These are very important. These are the model 1. Now we discuss about model 2. To evaluate integrals of the form. You observe these are the forms, another 3 forms. Integral px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c dx. Integral px plus q by square root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. Integral px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Here also quadratic expression. But what is the main difference between model 1 and model 2? In model 1 there is no px plus q. But in this model 2 there is px plus q. Okay, that is the main difference. First degree term and second degree quadratic expression. Square root of ax square plus bx plus c or ax square plus bx plus c. So this is the main difference between model 1 and model 2. So first you write all models at one page. Serial number, model, method. You practice with the comparison of each model, one to each mother. Okay. So in model 1, you split the quadratic expression in terms of a square plus x square or a square minus x square or x square minus a square. But in model 2, we write that px plus q is equal to a into derivative of the quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c plus capital B. Here capital A and capital B are constants, integers. Okay, and find the values of A and B. Next apply the model 1 or previous methods. Okay, so let us see the first example, 13th problem. Evaluate integral 2x plus 5 by square root of x square minus 2x plus 10 dx. You observe this is of the form integral px plus q by square root of ax square plus bx plus c. In model 1, there is no 2x plus 5. So, in model 2, this is of the form integral px plus q by square root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. So, first you write that px plus q, here px plus q is 2x plus 5 is equal to a into derivative of x square minus 2x plus 10 plus b. This is equal to a into, you know, the derivative of x square is 2x and the derivative of minus 2x is, this is the derivative of x square is 2x, the derivative of minus 2x is minus 2. Write the plus b as it is. Now take the coefficient of x on both sides. Here the x coefficient, this is 2ax, the coefficient of x is 2a. From this the coefficient of x is 2. So 2 to cancel, a is equal to 1. Like that we find the value of a. Again compare the constants on both sides. Here the constant term is a into minus 2, that is minus 2a, plus b is the constant term of RHS. The constant term of the LHS is 5. Already find a is equal to 1. So minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Take our minus 2 right side, that is b is equal to 5 plus 2, that is 7. Now therefore 2x plus 5 is equal to, from this substitute the value a and b. A into derivative of this plus b, that is a is equal to 1. Derivative of x square minus 2x plus 10 is 2x minus 2 plus b is 7. Now the given problem is integral 2x plus 5 by square root of x square minus 2x plus 10 dx. That is equal to 2x plus 5 is, yes, this is 1 into 2x minus 2 plus 7 by square root of x square minus 2x plus 10. So split that into two fractions. First part is integral 2x minus 2 by square root of x square minus 2x plus 10 dx, plus the second part is integral 7 by square root of x square minus 2x plus 10. This is the first part. This is the second part. In first part you observe there is a fraction. In the denominator there is root. In the root the term is x square minus 2x plus 10. So the derivative of that is 2x minus 2. So this is of the form integral f dash of x. This is f dash of x by f of x. Suppose this is our f of x. This is the derivative of that f of x, that is f dash of x. So the formula is 2 root of x, that is 2 root of the x square minus 2x plus 10. For this we write this 7 here. 1 by square root of x square minus 2x plus 10. So this is of the model, first model, model 1. For that take x square minus 2x plus 10. Split this into either x square plus a square or x square minus a square. We write this as x square minus 2x into 1. Here a square minus 2ab form. So b square is 1. For 10 already write 9, 1. So the right remaining 9 here. This is of the form a minus b whole square, that is x minus 1 whole square plus 9 is 3 square. You write here. You write this is as it is 7 into, again this is of the form integral 1 by root square root of a square plus x square, that is sin h inverse x by a. So you must learn that 9 formulas, very very important, in part 2. 1 by square root of a square plus x square is sin h inverse x by a. Here x is x minus 1 by a is 3 plus c. Okay, this is the integration of the given problem. Now let it take some homework. Find integral x log x dx. This is UV form. Logarithm, this is algebra. In light L is before A. So log x is equal to U, x is equal to P. Integral cos inverse x. We read this cos inverse x is 1 into cos inverse x. Cos inverse is inverse trigonometric function. 1 is algebraic. So I, L-I-A. So I is the before than A. So cos inverse x is equal to U, 1 is equal to V. This is also x sin inverse x. Sin inverse x is U, x is V. Integral e power x into sin x plus cos x dx. This is from the result integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. That is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Here the derivative of cos x is, the derivative of sin x is cos x. So here f of x is sin x. So e power x into sin x. But someone think like that. The derivative of cos x is sin x. No, the derivative of cos x is minus sin x. There is no minus for sin x. So the function must be f of x is cos x, sin x. So the derivative of sin x is cos x. So e power x into sin x plus c. Okay. The fifth problem also same. Integral e power x in tan x plus log secant x. You know the derivative of tan x is log modulus secant x. Okay. So our function is tan x. Okay. So e power x into f of x. E power x into tan x plus c is the answer. From sixth problem, e power x into x plus 2 by x plus 2 whole square. Already we solved this problem. Adding and subtract 1 to x plus 2. That is x plus 3 minus 1. So x plus 3 by x plus 3 whole square minus 1 by x plus 3 whole square. X plus 3 cancel, e power x into 1 by x plus 3 minus 1 by x plus 3 whole square. If x plus 3 has 1, 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. So 1 by 1 plus x plus 3 is our f of x. So answer is e power x into 1 by x plus 3. Okay. So next seventh problem, integral dx by 4x square minus 4x minus 7. So this is of the form integral 1 by ax square plus bx plus c dx. So model 1. So first we convert that quadratic expression into x square plus a square or x square minus a square. Eighth problem is also model 1, but there is minus for x square. So we convert that as a square minus x square or x square minus a square. Ninth is also the model 1, 1 by square root of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Thank you one and all.